Hey you guys, welcome back. This video is probably the most requested video by you guys, that is makeup with affordable products. I personally recommend these products for the beginners who don't really wish to invest at the beginning, and also it's my advice, until you don't get enough knowledge about the products, please don't invest. So I'll be listing down the prices of the products as I go on using them. I hope this video is helpful for you all. Let's get started. I've already cleansed my face, so we'll go forward with the toning part. For that I'm using Makeup Fixer Natural from Swiss Beauty, which says aloe vera with vitamin E. I really like this one. Other than this, you can use the NYX Fixer, that is also a nice one. I'll list down the price for both of them. We'll let this set on our face and go forward with moisturizing. So for moisturizers, I would be recommending you 3 moisturizers. First is the Pond's Beauty Moisturizer, which says light moisturizer, non-oily, fresh skin. So I bought this for 89 rupees from Nykaa. You can use this. Other than this, you can also use the Nivea cream. This is the huge one. They also provide small boxes, small versions of this, and this is for 280 rupees, and the small ones are a bit cheaper, so you can go for that. Other than that, you can obviously use the aloe vera gel. I really recommend the aloe vera gel for oily skins. I'm using the Wow Skin Science aloe vera gel. I bought this for, it's written 299 MRP, but I got it for a cheaper price. I don't really remember. I'll just find out and list the price below. So for this video, I'll be using the aloe vera gel. We'll take a little amount for this and put it all over our skin gently. Since I have a very oily skin, I usually use the aloe vera gel or the Pond's moisturizer for my skin. We'll let our skin soak the moisturizer in it. See, I'm using the Wow aloe vera gel. You can also go for other aloe vera gels which come for cheaper price. So I had this before, I don't have the other aloe vera gel. You can also go for the Patanjali aloe vera gel. So for eyebrows, I'll go with this Europe Girl eyebrow palette. It looks something like this. It has 3 shades in it, so it costed me something around 385, I guess. Yeah, so I feel it's super affordable. Other than this, if you want to go, you can go for some eyebrow pencils which are super affordable for, like, I guess 100 or 150. So yeah, for now I'm using this Europe Girl eyebrow palette. Now we'll jump off to the concealing part. Here I'll recommend 3 concealers. First one is the Kate of London Wheel Concealer Wheel. It gives 5 concealer shades which you can use. You can also use it for contouring, highlighting under your eyes, concealing your eyes, whatever. So I really recommend this one. I really love this one. I guess this is for around 600, but I think it's worth because it provides 5 shades. So other than this, I'll recommend you the LA Pro Girl Concealer. I really love this one. It is just awesome. So this is really recommended, and it comes for around, I guess, again 500 or 650, I don't know. I'll list down the price, and it is a bit expensive, I guess, but it is worth buying. And other than that, this is again the Maybelline concealer. It says Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Again, this is my favorite one. It really conceals my eyes, my under eyes so well. I really love this one and the LA Girl one. They are really awesome. This also prices around 600, I guess, 600 or 700 maybe. I'll list down the price. I know it's a bit expensive, not that affordable, but these products are worth buying, you know. You need to take care of your skin also. So now we'll be using the Kate of London Concealer Wheel to conceal our eyes. Moving on to the eyeshadows. So the first one that I would be recommending is obviously the Revolution palette. I use it a lot in my videos. So the Revolution palette looks like this. The shades are beautiful. I just love these shades. This is my go-to palette for my eyeshadows. Also, they are well pigmented. I will swatch it on my hand and show you how well pigmented these are. I'm using this shade to swatch. Can you see how well pigmented they are? I really love this palette. They also have shades in this. They have a colorful palette. They have more kind of a reddish shade palette, but I really loved this one and the colorful palette. These palettes are super affordable. I bought the Revolution palette in sale and I got 3 palettes for I guess 1400 or something, which is super affordable. So the next palette that I would recommend is the Face Secret Black palette. I really love the Face Secret brand. Looks something like this. Beautiful shades again, well pigmented. A really nice product and very affordable. I'll tell you, I bought it for I guess around 450 or 550. Super affordable, worth it. The shadows are really well pigmented. I'll swatch it for you guys. Can you see how well pigmented the shadows are? I really love this palette. The Face Secret brand palettes are really nice and I would really recommend you all. Just look how well pigmented they are in just one swatch. I really love this palette. Other than this, I have more Face Secret palettes which I would recommend you because they are super affordable for I guess 450, 350, 550. Anybody can get it. It's super affordable. So the next palette that I want to show is again Face Secret, but it looks like this. It's a blue palette. I love this one again. It looks something like this. So the shadows are very beautiful. They have some foil shadows here, they have some glitters here, they have some matte eyeshadows here. I really love this palette. I'll swatch some foils for y'all and show you how pigmented they are. Oh my god, just look. I don't know, because of the light I cannot show you properly, but I'm telling you it's very well pigmented. Just look. Other than this, I'll show you some matte shadows, how well pigmented they are. Just look. Look how well pigmented they are. I just love this. I just love Face Secrets. I know it's not that well known brand or anything. I just love the shadows. They are very well pigmented. I think, yeah, anyone can go for these palettes. Also, again, I'm showing you this Face Secret Shimmer palette. All the shadows are shimmery. Oh, they have some mattes also. They have some matte eyeshadows, then they have some shimmers, they have some foils. Look at the shades. Look at the shade they have. This. It looks something like this. I'll swatch this one again for you guys. Just look how pigmented they are. Oh my god. Such beautiful shades they have, and such, I mean, so well pigmented. You can go with these shadows. I bought this one for 550 and the blue palette for 350 or 450, I guess. I don't know, I'll list down the price, but super affordable, super pigmented. I really love these shadows. So for this video, we'll be going on with the blue palette of Face Secret. For eyeliner, right now I'm wearing Maybelline gel liner. I would really recommend y'all to try this. I bought this for around 375. It was on sale and the actual price is about 600 to 700. It's a really nice gel liner that you can start with. So for this video, we are gonna go with the In Color primer. I got it as a gift. It ranges around 300 to 400, I believe. For For foundations, I would really recommend you to go and try this Fit Me foundation from Maybelline. It prices for 450, but I got it in a sale for I guess 300 to 350. You can also go and try for sales, but this foundation is really worth buying. You should go and try this one. And other than that, you can also go and try the Wet n Wild foundation. I bought it for around 350 to 400, but the actual price is I guess 599. Yeah, I got it on sale. You can go and check this out and try this one. You can choose your shades. If you don't find your shade, you can choose and mix the shades. These foundations are really nice and worth buying. They are not really expensive like the other foundations. For this video, we'll be trying the Fit Me Maybelline foundation. So we are done with the foundation. Now we'll quickly jump to the powder part. Here I'll recommend you to use the Fit Me Maybelline loose powder. It ranges for around 650. The MRP is 695. I bought it for 450 in a sale on Nykaa. So you can wait for the sale or maybe buy it in 695, but it is really worth buying. It sets our foundation really well. Other than this, I would recommend you to use the Sugar translucent powder. It says all set to go translucent powder. It prices for around 599 I guess. Yeah, I bought it for 599. I really love this translucent powder. It doesn't change the shade of my foundation and it sets the base really well. So I would recommend you all to use these two. For now, we'll be using the Fit Me powder in shade 15 Light Leisure. Moving on to the mascara part, I usually use the Bad Girl Bang mascara from Benefit Cosmetics, but that is kind of expensive. I bought it for $12.40, the mini one. But other than that, you can also go for the Colossal Maybelline waterproof mascara. It comes for 405 rupees. Again, cheap, affordable and worth buying. It gives nice volume to our lashes. Talking about the highlighters, I really use this highlighter in almost of my makeup. It is from Maybelline, the Master Chrome highlighter in shade Molten Gold. I really love this highlighter. I also recommend you guys to use this one. It prices for around, I don't know, maybe 500 to 600 maybe. So you can go and purchase it from Nykaa.com. It's worth buying. You should go and try this out. Other than this, if you don't want to spend too much on highlight, you can also go for this shimmer brick. I got this as a gift. Again, it looks something like this. It has 5 shades, so you can use any. So in this video, we'll be using the Master Chrome highlighter. Lipstick part, I would really recommend you all to try the Nykaa Minis. These are my favorite lipsticks that I always wear. It looks like this. I really love these Nykaa Minis. I have almost all shades of Nykaa Minis. They come for $239. Super affordable, super handy. You can carry it anywhere. You must try these lipsticks. Other than that, I would really recommend you all to try the Kate of London lipsticks. These come for around 500 rupees, but the shades they have are really awesome, especially the nudes that they have. You must try these lipsticks. The Kate of London and the Nykaa lipsticks. So this was all for today, you guys. Hope this video helped you all a lot. I will be coming up with more such stuff to help you all out. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you soon. Bye.